So here's the handle. You're gonna put O-rings on here, right? So you take this one, just roll it, boom, right? Take the next one. Same idea. Roll it over and push it in, right? Like go right in, and then we just lube it up, right? Do a lube, and then there you go. You have this, which needs an O-ring, so we're gonna put the O-ring over here, and then you just slide it in, right? And then lube as well. And you can just hit that all the way around, right? Sure. And it's good to go. Alright, so first things first, we'll grab the beater right here, and we're gonna put it in. You lube this up, it's already lubed. Twist it till it clips in like that. Now, we're going to take the faceplate, which is this guy, and we're going to assemble that. Right? So, first things first, take this guy down there. Beautiful. Then you're going to take this, it's the bearing, and put it right here. Perfect, yeah? Now, we're going to take these guys. So you got this guy. You're gonna lube the O-rings here and throw it right in here. So like that. Then you're gonna take the handle. And we can do this when the door's on too. That's all I'll show you. The star cap on. Beautiful. Here. Now, for these, they have to fit on kind of perfectly. So you wanna slide them on like that. And then kind of slide it in. Yeah, like that. Alright. Pretty straightforward. Yeah. We're tightening these. Now, I'm gonna put this guy right here. And this guy right here. Pretty straightforward. Last but not least, you do the air tube, this hole down, and then the air orifice, which goes right on top. And you have a fully assembled C152. Thank you.